Today I wanted to show you how to delete, hide, and alter buttons in Proloquo2Go. This is a new user that I had just set up, and as you can see at the bottom, I don't have any options for editing. I would have to go and turn on my settings wheel. In order to do this, I need to exit out of Proloquo and go to my settings wheel in the iPad. At the bottom, they have different programs that you can go into which have other options. And of course, in Proloquo, this is where you would turn on your options buttons. So it says show option button. And then go back to Proloquo and you'll see the settings wheel. So click on the settings wheel and then we're going to go into restrictions and we're going to turn on edit mode because we want to be able to edit each button or edit the whole screen. So if you click on the pencil, this is where you will be in edit mode. So first one, deleting a button. Let's say I don't want this one that says part. So I'm going to click on part. And what I can do here is just click on the garbage can and then it goes away. So I can either move it to storage or permanently delete. I haven't really figured out what the difference is between these two. I just know that if I permanently delete it, I can still bring it back. So I click permanently delete, and then if I want, so that was part, I click on the plus, that's how you add a button. And then if I click on it, there it is. So it's still there. I don't know why they say permanently delete, but anyway, that's just another option. So that's how we can delete a button just by throwing it in the garbage can. The second one is hiding a button. So let's say I have this particular button, let's do peace, and I want to hide it because my student isn't ready for it yet. And actually I could do a couple. Let's just do one right now. So peace, we're going to hide this. So on the left under appearance, you have to make sure that the button one is clicked. It usually always is default, and then you scroll down to visibility, and then this is where you can hide it, and the button is still there. You can bring it back, but when the student is using the device, it is not visible. Another option with this particular feature is hidden, or not hidden, dimmed. So if we go into dimmed, you'll show it on the screen that it's still there, but it doesn't activate. So all the other buttons around it will work, but that one does not. So that's how you hide a button. And I'm going to go ahead and make it visible again, normal, and altering buttons. So this is the nice part of Proloquo, in that you can alter so much of the features that are in the device. So for instance, if I want to change the text, I can change the type of text. I can change how big I want the text. You can also like move the text to the bottom. You can, and that's in a different part, but you can change the background color. So if you want it to be purple or blue or whatever for each particular one, for each particular cell. The one thing that I do like about this is display. So here you can change it where you can just have the image, or you can just have the label, or you can have them together. Sometimes we don't want the words on there, or sometimes we don't want the image on there, but we still want to say things. It's harder programming if you're just adding each individual word to the cell. But if you already have them all populated and they're all ready, and you just want to change, just take off the image, that's how you can do this quickly. So yeah, I think that's it. So I just showed you how to delete, hide, and alter buttons in Proloquo2Go. All right, thank you.